to our kitchen. My name is Aileen and I'm 9 years old. This is my brother.
And I'm 7 years old. We've been cooking since 2015.
So today we're gonna be making
our favorite Cuban
recipe. Well, it's an appetizer.
It's actually like a snack appetizer. It is guava and cheese plantain.
How can you go wrong with plantains, guava, and cheese? And if you have never tried guava and cheese with plantains,
make sure
you gotta try this recipe.
Yep.
But before we start, what are the kitchen rules?
The kitchen rules are make sure you wash your hands and you have your area clean and you have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself. But the most important rule is set the bus. So let's get cooking. So the knife we use, they're not sharp, though the ones that we usually use for everything.
So safety first.
Yeah.
So let's get to it. Okay guys, we're done. So now we're gonna put our plantain bananas inside of
Boiling water.
boiling water. So we'll see how to do
We're
it.
boiling our plantains and we're just gonna be checking them from 10-15 minutes when they change color. Okay, so this is how you're gonna do it. You're gonna get your plantain, make like a little tortilla. You're gonna get your cheese and a piece of guava, and then you're just gonna cover everything, and that's it. This is your bowl. And you're just gonna place them in a plate and deep fry them.
Okay guys, our mom is done. Well, we're done, and our mom's gonna deep fry them for us while we wash our hands. So, see you in a second.
Our plantain cheese balls are already deep frying. And we're gonna be checking them now and then. You see like this one, I already flipped this one. So as soon as you see they change color, it's good for you to remove them. The plantain is already cooked, so you don't have to leave them here for too long. Okay guys, so our plantain cheese balls are ready. I'm already getting them out. So we're gonna show you in a minute how they look.
Guys, this is the finishing look. It looks super good.
So now the finishing touch.
Is it cheesy?
This is amazing.
It's so good.
Yummy.
Bye. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
Bye.
Bye.